Hello guys, today we're at Hamburg, Germany, Zeeshan and Cyrus, and we're going to show you around with my dad and my brother.
What's that in your hand?
Oh, a Nissan Skyline, Fast and Furious, Nissan Skyline R34 GTR, Brian's Nissan Skyline.
Is he sitting in the car?
Yeah, I know, I fixed it. Last time he was sitting on this side and he couldn't fit because of his hair.
So let's go inside.
Let's go inside now. Hey guys, we just entered and then I just used the tickets to enter. And we're gonna go inside and the entrance will leave it and go look around and come back onto this.
There's a turbine. Is it pretty small down here? Tight, Cyrus?
Pretty tight. This is a thing.
Bathroom or kitchen, you think?
Not kitchen.
Dude, the hallway is so small.
Yeah, well, this is where they used to investigate things. They investigated things over here.
Operation Theater.
Where they used to sleep.
Why don't we ever have to be this small?
No, they look at skinny too. Oh. No, I don't know what the writing says. This is all the different things.
Oh, this guy had his own bathroom, see?
It's made of wood. That's new wood. Toilet. Look down. The tiles are made of wood.
Isolation board in case somebody got sick.
Hey guys, does this look like Russian alphabet? Because I don't know. Because normally Russian alphabet is different to German. BKK, BCK, I don't know what that even means. Oh, there it is right now. And this is mostly there's a lot of piping here because boats are all about piping. And cans, big cans, little things that twist a lot. You have to pull things. What's this?
It's a machine room.
Oh yeah, where they used to put the speed in here. And there's the speed. This is the pipe.
Oh, I just want to hear a sink today.
You can just literally just run.
Oh, food, fish.
That's real alive.
Secret document room.
Let's go up. I see the over there.
my God, we see light again. Woo! Nice cold German air.
Hey guys, you should watch our other German videos too. And we just finished. Check out the Submarine, and you should check out our other German videos in Hamburg, Germany, like the Maritime Museum video. Also, the Maritime Museum was actually the comment for the Maritime Museum I have. There's a lot of boats, and bye. You guys can also watch. See you later on the next video.